VIVO Y66, and let me show you how to enter here the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here we need to find and select the power key. From the following options, let's choose here power off and wait a couple of seconds until your device will be completely switched off. Then let's use the power key and volume down together. So let's hold down simultaneously power key and volume down. Release both keys. As soon as fast boot mode pops up, here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's choose here recovery, press power key to confirm it, and the device is booting into recovery mode. And here you can also navigate in the same way, or you can just tap appropriate options. Let me choose here, for example, wipe data. As you can see here, you can wipe cache partition or wipe data. Here you can also go back and you can install update, use system repair, or use advanced options. Here you can update with USB, apply update and apps. You can also check root integrity, reboot with ADB, or view recovery logs. So in my case, let me go back, and if you would like to quit this mode, let's choose either power down or reboot system. Let me choose reboot system. The device is restarting and rebooting. Alright, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.